Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusalusa. This video is a review of the song Nakei Nairobi by Mbilia Bel. Nakei Nairobi is about friendship. We have two friends, one in Kinshasa and the other one in Kenya. They grew up together in Kinshasa. They spent a lot of time in Kenya. They've been to Nairobi, Mombasa, Nakuru, Kisumu, and Harambee together. The one in Kinshasa is going to Kenya to help Duni. Duni is her friend who is being mistreated in Kenya. There's an element of pride in the song. Ya Elodi mapasa lokumu ya fami oti wapi. Ya Elodi mapasa, big sister Elodi, where have you put family standard? Family standard here relates to friendship. Why have you lowered your standard? Looks like they used to have a higher standard back when they were kids. So the girl coming from Kinshasa asked her, why have you lowered your standard? Why have you allowed yourself to be in a relationship where you're being mistreated? This song was written by Tabu Ley. Many people, when they understand the story, they're wondering where Duni is. What happened to her? Is she alive? Is she dead? Is she in Kenya? Is she in Kinshasa? We don't know. The only way to find out is by talking to people who knew Tabu Ley very well, including Mama Mbilia Bel. But it's very hard for these people to know about characters that Tabu Ley used to write about. Unless Duni is a real person, it will be very, very hard to find out. So I advise you to smash this video with comment. Any comments possible, put it down.